Chris here, Nice Garage. We are working on the 2023 Honda Grom. We're getting ready to put an exhaust on it. We stopped on my friend's garage, Dragon Knees Motorsports, and he has a dyno, so we're going to put the bike up on the dyno. We're going to do a test to see how much power the bike has from stock, actual power, and then we're going to put bolt the exhaust on, and then we're going to put the bike back up on the dyno and test it with the exhaust and see what the power gain is. So we're going to do that. Now, I'm going to film the video without sound, and we're going to add in some after the fact. I will do a sound comparison with the bike stock and after the new exhaust is on. So we just opened up the bag that came with the exhaust. There isn't any instructions, but it's pretty simple, cut and dry. There's a warranty card, how to clean the exhaust, YOSH stickers, pretty cool for that. And this bike does not have an O2 sensor, so there's a plug for that. And like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, so let's put on a dyno, see what's up.
See it. There's not anything to do with it.
All right, let's see what horsepower we got here. I don't know. Where's that at? Six and a quarter?
8.5.
Oh, 8.5. All right.
I'll run it again just so we can get 2, and then there's your air fuel. So we're way lean until you get to here. That's why the gauge is reading. You saw the gauge.
ready for round 2.